Good day, virtual math friends. It is me, Mr. Harmon, and I've got a few tips for you for this week's virtual math, so let's get cracking. All right, friends, the first thing I want to remind you is that tomorrow, Wednesday, are our Google Meets this week. You can always look at my Google Calendar. I've shared that link with you to see when your Google Meet is. I will post those each week when they appear. All right, friends, the things I want to show you today are on our modules. We're all done with Module 1, but I'm going to still show you. If you don't have the check marks, then you haven't completed those pieces. All right, parents and students, probably the most important area for you to check is the My Progress area. When you check this, you've got a summary, you've got your assignments, you have got a system access history. So this is where you can prove that you've been in, or parents, you can double check that your kids have been in. You can also double check to make sure that they're in the right course. And then the one that I appreciate most is the quizzes. When you hit the quizzes tab, you can see the score you got on each of these. You can also click on it for the details, and you can check attempt 1, and you can see what you got correct and what you got wrong. Simply scroll down through the quiz, check your answers. If you see that you got the points, you were good. If you didn't get the points, you were wrong, and you can learn what you did wrong on the problem. All right, friends, I want to bounce out and just show you something. When you're taking a quiz, when you get to the end, if you try and submit something blank, it shows you that you have it blank. So that way, when I'm checking a quiz, if you ever left one blank, I know that you flat out chose to leave it blank instead of trying to solve it. So make sure you're on top of that and make sure you solve every question. All right, so I quickly went back and took another assessment because I wanted you to see that on some of these quizzes, like the mid-module check, I got 20 out of 30, so it's not as good as it needs to be. And if you hit details, there will quite often be feedback, and when you enter the attempt, when you move through the various problems, you will find attempts that have feedback that help you as well. So just make sure you're using all the possible things you can to make sure you've learned what you're supposed to know. When you're on this screen, when you hit done, mine seems to stick. So I have found that just going back is the best way to get back to our progress page, and then I'm going to click on the class homepage. And then, friends, remember, we are always looking at the teacher feed for the latest post. As usual, friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.